Uthumi Matheys nongumthengisi wasesitalatweni ungabanye babantu abava ulwamvila namaxabiso axhomileyo kweli kwaye ipapa nenyama ithengisa nge-R35 ayiyenzi ingeniso yaneleyo.
This is how big it is. I can't even get a profit. Since after this COVID, you know what, things are more expensive. But you buy in the grocery, but which means you take out your money from the pocket, but at the end you don't get even a cent. Even you see this at 19 kg. I used to buy this 19 kg before, maybe 2019. I used to spend maybe close to 280. But now I'm spending roughly maybe 390, which means it's a lot.
Ukanti umbutho olwela amalungelo oluntu Black Sash uthi usiza kuqhuba uzama ukucenga urhulumente ukuba akhuphe isibonelelo semali esiqingqiweyo kube mibili bangathathi ntweni.
Government is failing to provide for its people in terms of its constitutional obligation, because where you don't have income support, the Constitution says that the government is obligated to provide financial support for those who cannot find. And although we have a social assistance framework in place, it doesn't cater for unemployed, because despite people being able-bodied, wanting to work, there are just no jobs.
Inkampani yobuxhakaxhaka i-M4 Gem ithi 20% yabantu abathe inxaxheba kolu phando ngabantu abaphila ngezingxungxo.
97% of people felt that the cost of living has increased. 97%. So we have seen that the main areas that are impacted in people's lives, where they feel that the increase has been felt the most, is in food and in transport.
Namaxabiso eeTaxi nekulindeleke ukuba onyuke kuza kufaka uxinzelelo lumandla kubemibili.
The attitude that the national leadership always takes is that the percentages should not be high to the point that commuters cannot afford them. We have got what we call a taxi fare index, which is a model through which we determine the impact of our operational costs, and as such, able to determine how the fare should be increases. And this would look into taxi rank fees, that would look into installments, the subscription that operators pay, and all those costs then determine the average at which we are able to make such increases.
We have always known that the loss of livelihoods, the people that are unemployed, that are retrenched, will probably be 10 times more than those people that have been killed by the virus. Absolute numbers, we lost about 3.2 million jobs.
Ukuthetha kuba abantu abafana noTumi abakhuselekanga ngokwezoqoqosho kwaye kuyabonakala kuba ithemba liyaliphela.